You're tired of guessing which cooking method is actually better for your daily meals? Have you ever wondered if your favorite crispy foods are doing more harm than good to your health? Are you team traditional oil frying or your team modern air frying? Which method truly reigns supreme when it comes to taste, health, and everyday convenience? Did you know that the way you cook your food can drastically change its nutritional value? Are you deeply concerned about the hidden fats and massive calorie counts lurking in your deep fried meals? Have you ever considered how much oil your food actually absorbs when it's fully submerged in oil? Wouldn't you love to know how you can significantly cut down on fat and calories without completely giving up your favorite fried treats? But what about the crunch? Is anything really better than the rich, indulgent flavor of authentically deep fried foods? Can air fryer actually replicate the classic melt in your mouth tenderness and perfectly golden crust? Or does rapidly circulating hot air just leave your food slightly drier and lacking authentic richness? How do you decide between a slightly healthier bite and a truly delicious, indulgent one? Who actually wants to spend hours of scrubbing pots and cleaning up after dinner? Are you sick of dealing with dangerous splattering oil, lingering greasy odors, and the messy hassles of disposing of used cooking fat? Wouldn't it be amazing if you could just preheat, cook, and wipe down a simple basket in mere seconds? Are you faster cooking times effortlessly clean up truly enough to make you completely switch your cooking habits? So, which appliance actually deserves a permanent spot on your kitchen countertop? You to stick onto the time-honored tradition of oil frying for your wet-battered onion rings and fresh donuts, or is the air fryer the ultimate everyday hero for rendering fat out of chicken wings and crisping up French fries? Where can you find the ultimate step by breakdown, expert insights, and the final verdict on which method wins? Want all the definitely answers to these burning culinary questions? Head over to